guys! Welcome back to my channel! For today's video guys, oh my gosh, ito na. Gagawin na natin ang Shein haul. Nakakitagal na, sobrang tagal na. So if you want to see the items that I got from Shein, then just keep on watching. And if this is your first time seeing my face, these cheeks, do I still have double chin? Anyway, just don't forget to subscribe to my channel, follow me on my social media accounts, and for now, let's do it! Hindi ko alam guys kung malayo ako sa camera. Kasi DIY lang yung setup ko kasi I can't find my tripod. Really can't. Look, eto siya guys. Dito siya. Hindi ko alam kung paano siya sisimulan. Sobrang dami. Teka, magulo yung buhok ko. I'm so bothered. Kasi tinaas ko to kanina. Ang dami sinabi, no? Simula ka natin. Okay, so we have here this item. Yung size ko guys sa Shein, usually XXS or XS, nandun lang sa range na yun. Pwede din yung small, kaso depende. This is the first item that I'm gonna show you. Medyo, Pasko na. For Tanson. This is ang tawag dito. Hindi siya terno, hindi na terno yung tawag dito. Ano ba tawag sa ganito? Oh my gosh, I forgot again. Basta, yung dalawa. Guys, other term ng terno. Hindi na kasi masyadong ginagamit yan. This is the top part. And yung top part na to guys, meron siyang parang see-through na part. This is an asymmetrical na top. Yung kanyang one side is open siya. Meron siyang detail na parang chain detail din sa kanyang anong tawag dito? Yung sa kanyang strap ba to? Ang hirap mag-describe kasi hindi marunong. And then, yung kanyang bottom part is, see, this is XS, I told you, pero medyo malaki siya. Ito siya, meron din siyang chain na detail. It's just a chain, guys, hindi siya belt or anything. This is garterized, guys. So, I think this will fit sa small din. Ang ganda nito, guys. Kaya lang, problema ko, dahil meron siyang chain dito, medyo mabigat siya. So, bumabagsak yung chain. It means, malaki siya sa akin. Ayan. So, dapat ganito siya eh. Mga ganyan. So, meron siyang space sa likod ko. The shorts, siguro para sa matangkad daw. Kasi, yung shorts niya, I wanted more shorter. Mas okay siya kung mas maikli siya. Para sa akin. Ha? Para sa akin lang naman yun. Like this, siguro. Mga ganyan. Mas bagay siya talaga kapag ganun. And, ang gusto ko lang dito is, meron siyang, ayun, itong part na to, ang cute. Diba? Nag-ano ka pa yan, tawag ito? Nag-sleeve ka pa, pero butas na. Parang ganun. The second one that we have here is, this is a skirt. So, I will be able to show this to you guys ng maayos kapag sinuot ko na siya. But this is the details. This is more like a vintage gothic vibe type of skirt, and this is mahaba. Guys, tingin ko na lang dito kasi yung record, hindi nagre-record ng matinutong phone ko. The skirt is actually good. It's very comfy to wear. Ang ganda rin ng design niya. Tsaka, ganito siya kahaba. Hindi ko lang sure kung hanggang saan yung makikita nyo. But it's almost na dun sa angle ko. Or maybe I'm just too small. Maliit lang ako. And then, sinuot ko siya ng high waist. Para makover niya yung sa may ditong part. Yung sa may, usually yung sa love handle, diba? Kasi mahirap talaga i-burn yun, promise. And at the back, ganyan na siya. Wala tayong back. Yung mga ganitong type ng skirt is more bagay sa mga mas matangkad. Kasi they have the length, which I don't have, but it's how you wear it. And although medyo manipis yung yung kanyang outer part, meron naman siya sa loob. So, hindi ka, hindi ka makikita. This is also, parang, ano bang tawag sa ganito? Terno. Hindi ko alam. Terno ba talaga? Ano ba? Hindi ko talaga alam. Ano bang tawag? Teka nga, lagi na lang akong bothered, no? Titingnan natin. So, hindi ko talaga alam kung anong tawag. Set na lang. Set yung nakita ko sa Shein. Alright, so I do have here a crop top na sweater. And it says, say yes, baby. Say yes to me. So, mga gantong klaseng type ng crop top, yung mga sweater type, I like this medyo baggy na crop top. Oh. And then, ang partner niya is actually a shorts. It also says, say yes, baby. This is also comfy, guys. So, if I'm going to taas my kamay, ganyan siya. Baka hindi na lang ako magtaas ng kamay para safe. So, ayan siya. And I usually wear it as high-waisted para hindi makita yung love handles. This top can be worn siguro sa labas. But I don't think about the shorts. I think parang it's too flowy and wide. Baka kapag malikot ka, baka makitaan ka. Kaya much better if you're gonna use cycling shorts underneath. Yeah, I would rather suggest that para mas magamit niyo siya sa labas. Medyo mahaba lang naman siya sa kamay ko, but it's okay. The next one that I have here is a skirt. And by the looks of it, I think this one is a bit malaki sa akin. It is a dress, a velvet dress in dust pink. Meron siyang details, guys. Meron siyang ganito. It's a belt. Ayan. Oh my gosh, I love the belt. This is so giving. I thought this one is big, guys, but it's not. Ganda rin niya, no? I loving it. Although hindi siya sexy masyado. It's strapless. It's sleeveless. Just a simple velvet, ang tawag dito? A-line trim? A-line, basta. Akala ko talaga malaki siya. So, hindi mo talaga malalaman until sinuot mo, no? And this is actually good. It's so flowy. Look. Very, very flowy. Nag-enjoy. Natuwa no? Pero yun, tsaka ito, yung parang paano niya. Ano yan, yung accessories niya. Kasama to, this one, included na to sa dress. Ang ganda rin. Then, the next one is this one. This one talaga. Oh my god, it's a lot, no? Right, it's another sweater. And, hindi siya yung typical sweater na, ano tawag dito? Not sure what kind of tela, pero ito yung telang mainit, guys. Like, mainit. So, maganda to kapag malamig yung panahon kesa hindi. Kasi for sure, papawisan ka dito. Mahilig ako sa mga slogan shirts, guys. Or slogan outfits. Slogan top, ganyan. So, it says, Aunt, the woman, the myth, the bad influence. Ayan. Mainit nga yung tela nito, guys. So, ang ganda niya. Ang ganda ng design. Yung fit niya okay lang naman sa akin. But I'm not gonna suggest this kapag sobrang mainit. Ay wag niyong gamitin to, guys, kasi promise, kapag lumabas kayo na sobrang init, tapos ito yung suot nyo, kunyari tirik na tirik yung araw, ay pagpapawisan kayo ng bonggang-bongga. Kasi mainit siya. But I just love the statement. Again, Aunt, the woman, the myth, the bad influence. Next item natin dito is, wait lang, guys, nahihinitan ako. Saan natin yung aircon? Okay. Oh, it's another set, guys. Ah, this one is so big. What size is? Ang kanong size mo? It's also XS, but definitely this one is big. It's just a simple black crop top. Super crop to, guys. Parang yung suot ko ngayon. This one is from Shein too, pero yung pambaba ko, it's not from Shein. It's from TikTok. And then, this one is the bottom part. This is a skirt. Yung parang akala mo palda pero ay hindi, naka-shorts ka pala, ganun. Ayan, so shorts siya. This is really big. I know this one is big for me, as you can see. Sobrang malaki siya. Diba? I'm not sure if I can make some adjustments. Pero dito sa shorts, pwede naman. Pwede mo siyang lagyan ng parang safety pin. So you can still wear it. But yung top, I'm not sure about the top. Siguro I'm not just gonna wear this top. This one, I got this actually for Azel's 18th birthday. I chose not to wear it. I opted for a dress. And this one is a bit long for sure. But it has a slit. Mahilig ako sa slit, guys. It's okay naman to. It's just that I know it's a bit big. Although XS siya, but the size is a bit big. Look at that. Do you see the space between my body and the skirt itself? Aside from it's malaki sa bewang, mahaba din to, guys. Can you see? Ko alam kung hanggang saan, pero kahit magsuot ako ng mataas na shoes here, mahaba pa rin siya. So, kailangan ko pa rin siyang ipa-adjust. And what I like about this is that it has a slit. This, yeah. It has a slit, so it's very sexy pa rin. Pero ang ganda niya. Tinaas ko yung top ko. Ayan, so, kahit mga ganyan, mahaba pa rin siya sa akin. The next one that I have here is another dress. It's a black dress, but this one is a bit, tawag dito, manipis siya sa harapan, as you can see. Diba? Medyo see-through siya. Nakikita niyo ba yung pagka-see-through niya? Hindi ko alam kung nakikita niyo yung pagka-see-through, pero medyo see-through to, pero sobrang ganda niya. As in, ang ganda. Look at the back. Guys, the back is so giving. Like, wala kang itatagong likod. Oh my God. Like, OMG, this dress. This dress is so pretty. This is so good. Like, medyo, medyo magaspang yung kanyang texture kasi meron siyang parang mga glitters, but it's not transferring, ha? It's not transferring at all. And, ang lakas yung maka-sexy look. Diba? It's so gorgeous. Ang ganda nito, promise. Although, nag-struggle lang ako sa pagsuot. Medyo manipis to, katulad ng sinabi ko. Pero okay lang kasi it's black. Hindi siya masyadong halata. And the back, guys. Look at the back. Oh my God. Ang sexy niya. Sobrang sexy ng likod. Like, I love. Like, super love it. Here is, magkasama na siya, guys. Pero, nilabas ko na kasi to before. Kasi ito nga dapat yung gagamitin ko sa debut ni Azel, pero hindi ko nagamit. Ito, hindi naman siya ganun kainit suotin, but this is also good. Look, so pretty. Ang ganda to, partneran ng crop top din, guys. Hindi siya leather na leather, it's PU leather yung texture niya. It's like a motorcycle jacket na hindi nagmamotor. You can wear it like this. Yung isasara lang niya siya. Meron siyang parang yung sa bag na buckle. Parang ganun. And then, but you can also just wear it na nakabukas. Like that. You can also wear something much shorter than my crop top. Pero this one is good na. Yan. Diba? It's so giving, but yung fit niya, medyo payat ako, so I think this is for XS lang. Hindi siya kakasya siguro sa small. Or siguro kakasya siya, pero medyo masikip lang siya in a way. Kasi sa akin, medyo sakto na siya dito eh. Pero cute, diba? Bagay siya sa outfit ko actually. Kung gusto mong umawara sa labas, maglalabas ka, so you don't want to wear like sleeveless crop top, you can pair it with your crop top jacket, leather vibe. The next one I have is another crop top. Ang dami kong crop top, no? Kasi mas mura yung mga crop top talaga. This one is small. Siguro I chose small kasi I wanted to to be mabalaki. Pero siguro walang size. Hindi ko alam kung alin doon. But this is it. It's another white crop top. I'm gonna wear it like this. This one is in small size. Maybe I should just get the XS. Medyo flowy na din pala siya. So, ayan yung fit niya sa akin. See? This one is a bit bigger, but I can work it out na lang. So, ayan. So, dapat medyo mga ganyan lang sana para medyo kita pa rin yung tiyan. Tsaka hindi masyado natatakpan yung bottom. And since manipis siya, guys, I would highly suggest na you use something inside. Ito naman is, ano yan? Ano to? Oh my God, what is this? This is a crop top. Puro crop no? So, nakakain ko na yung buhok ko. Para siyang EJ, ito, apron. Apron talaga. It has sequins. And, oh my gosh, wala siyang wala siyang bra foam, parang ganun. And since I don't have boobs, I'm not sure what it's gonna look like to me. Malay niyo naman, cute, diba? Mura ko lang siguro ito nabili. But I think I'm gonna add some crystals. I'm not sure. Maybe I can add some red crystals din sa mga sequins niya. Baka pwede, no? Kasi, although it's kumikinang-kinang naman, but I want it more shiny. Wow! I want it more shiny. This gives me like a aura, like party, gala, wait lang, bar, gano'n. Na bar, ano ba tawag sa mga yun? May mga sayawan. Yung may dance floor, sa timog, yung mga bar nga, ganun. Kasi it's shining, shimmering, splendid, guys. It has sequins kasi. So, medyo kumikinang to. So, if you're going to a party, tapos may mga lights, diba? It's so pretty. This one doesn't have any foam sa my bra part. Wala siyang foam. So, it's just plain fabric lang talaga siya. But this is very mura. So, maybe I'll just put everything, yung prices, sa screen. I'll just put the prices kung magkano ko siya nabili. But of course, yung price na ilalagay ko is discounted na, guys. Kasi diba sa Shein, lagi silang may pa-discount, ganun. So, ayun. Just take note of that. And then, sa likod niya, guys, this is super cute. Oh, diba? Ang ganda-ganda niya sa likod. Ang ganda talaga. Ang ganda ng likod niya. Dapat likod na lang no? Hindi naman siya masyadong daring sa harap, although crop top. Pero yung likod niya talaga, super sexy. Just make sure na yung secure it tightly. Para, di ba? Lalo na kung pupunta ka sa bar, tapos sasayaw ka, make sure you secure it. Otherwise, oh my God, nahawakan mo siya. And then, ganun din siya. Yung sa, niya, sa may, this one, nakatali lang din siya. And okay lang din siya. Okay din siya sa ganitong klaseng bottom. Diba? Ang ganda nito, promise. I'm gonna place like, dito? Tawag doon? Tape. Yung double-sided tape, yung nabibili. Para lang secure siya. Takot na takot. Ang dami. Ang dami talaga. This one is another top. Puro crop top, guys. So, this is what it looks like. Pwede mo naman siyang iklian dito sa taas kasi nakabuhol lang naman siya. And then, wala ulit siyang parang foam for the boob part. So, I'm not sure. Maybe we can add na lang, no? Kasi ito yung velvet top na merong, yung kailangan mo siyang i-ribbon para dun sa kanyang strap. And yung design niya, guys, as you can see, meron siya parang bra type. And it's okay lang, but since I don't have that, talaga I hope that I don't have that. Hindi tayo pinagpala doon sa part ng hinaharap. Not sure. It's good, but maybe I'll do some alterations. Siguro I would put like a foam dun sa kanyang bra part. I can just, maybe, pwede ko na lang siyang i-fabric glue para lang, kasi, ewan ko. But it's okay. However, I want that. Siguro, yun lang yung kulang talaga dito. Although, naiintindihan ko talaga, gets ko kung bakit wala. Kasi mura lang siya. But this one, it's so cute. Tsaka, ang pangit lang ng pagkakaribon. Para ako may, ano dito. Pero, tsaka nakakangalay nga lang siya. Nakakangalay siyang i-ribbon, no? But the top itself, lalo na kung meron kung kayo ay pinagpala, paulit-ulit. And sa likod niya guys, ayan. So, teka lang, my hair is nakaharang. Ganun lang siya. It's also good and it's so nakaka-sexy din. Like, super nakaka-sexy. Ayan. May panghampas ka. Lagyan mo ng alambres. Joke. Okay, ano pa ba? Here, we have another, what is this? It's another dress. It's another velvet dress. Nahihilig talaga ako sa velvet fabric. I actually bought three. Three colors of the same dress. Ganun ko siya ka-favorite. And then, I have another fabric, velvet dress. Ito siya. This is it. It's green. It's so cute. And wala ako ulit natatago sa likod. Para sa akin, mas sexing tignan yung likod na part. Parang ganun. Kesa revealing sa harap. Kasi wala akong hinaharap. Yun pala yun. Kasi wala akong hinaharap. So, doon na tayo sa likod. Sa dress na to guys, struggle din siya yung suot. Medyo nahirapan din ako. But yan, yung sa harap niya guys, meron siya yung parang palaylay effect, ganun. And then, hanggang saan yung nakikita niyo sa video? This one, it has a very fitted yung kanyang fit. Fitted yung kanyang fit. Ano yun? It's a pencil type dress, guys. But it has a slit. As you can see, may slit na siya. Ang cute, no? Alam mo, ang sexy talaga tignan kapag may slit yung skirt or yung dress. It's very nakaka-sexy talaga siya. Like, super nakaka-sexy. But the back, guys, look. Diba? The back is also giving. Like, it's really giving. Binibigay ng likod mo lahat. Diba? Hindi lang siya maayos. But, actually, maayos naman pala. Okay lang, sana ganito na lang siya. Yeah. If ganito lang yung design nito, much better for me. Pero okay lang din naman yung ganun. Para may parang effect siyang something dyan. So, madami-dami pa siya. Well, konting tiis na lang. Konting tiis na lang. Hindi kaya. Dami pa. What is this? Oh, this one is a satin. It's a satin long sleeve. So, it's just a button long sleeve na medyo may pagka-flare sa dulo. Alright, so this is yung fit niya sa akin. And medyo malaki siya. In a way lang naman. Like this part, can you see? Ang tawag dito, may detail siya dito. This is more really like a formal vibe. And ayan. So I can close it like this, pero I can leave it open lang din. Another item, another damit. Guys, puro damit pala to ha, yung sa Shein haul ko. This one is another terno or set. Ayan. So, it's mahaba. Wait, ganito yung tela usually sa sa Shopee. Yung rib fabric, parang ganun. Rib knit ba yun? Basta ayan. And then, parang ang haba nun sa akin. Mamaya isusukat natin yan. This is the top part. It's another crop top. Ang hilig mo ate sa crop top. Hindi ko rin alam bakit. This one. Mahaba to guys. Nakikita nyo ba? Hindi ko na makikita yung sarili ko. Pero, ganito siya kahaba. Yeah. But it's so good. Meron din siyang slit. See? And it's very comfortable, guys. Like, sobrang comfortable niya. Actually, may space pa nga dito. Kasya pa siya. Pwede pa akong kumain. Yeah, although hindi siya masyado ng crop top. Medyo mahaba na siya sa akin. But it's okay. Minsan, ayan, ganyan siya. Ganito na lang yung space niya. Crop top pa rin siya, pero hindi na siya yung parang mga gantong klaseng crop top. Pero okay lang. Super, super comfortable niya. Tsaka, tama lang din yung fit ng damit sa akin. And even the sport, na to, maganda siya. Yeah. If gusto mo ng sexy, pero hindi daring, this one, this set, diba? It's so cute. And then, This one is a lot. What I with oh, it's Shein Kids, guys. I bought something from Kids, but I'm gonna use it. O, diba? Kasya sa akin to. Ganun. Ang cute kasi niya. This one, I love anime. So, hindi ko alam kung may anime ba talagang ganito or drawing lang to. But this is so giving. It's in like, I'm so in love with it. Di ba, ang cute-cute niya? It looks good. Hindi siya masyadong oversized. But, look, I so love the graphic design. Sobrang cute niya. Like, oh my gosh, ang cute niya. Ito, ang cute diba? Sino kaya to? Let me know guys kung anime ba to or baka din drawing lang siya. Like, parang anime style. Pwedeng-pwede to sa shorts and or sa palda, parang ganun. Kahit sa pantalon, guys. This is actually versatile, yung mga t-shirt. You can pair it with anything. This top is, guys, sobrang hilig ko talaga sa slogan shirt or sa, ang tawag doon, statement shirts. Mahilig talaga ako sa yun. Parang yung suit ko last time, it's not me, it's you. And I have here, ito naman, world's best ex-girlfriend. This is really cute. Nakakatuwa talaga, diba? World's best ex-girlfriend. Sayang, parang ganun. Etong top na to, guys, medyo tight siya. Medyo masikip talaga siya. Yung, kumbaga, sakto siya, super tight. So, if you're planning to buy this top, if it's still available, I'm not sure if this are still available sa Shein, make sure you know your size and compare it din sa size nila before you buy. Kasi para lang sure na tama yung mabibili mong size. Siguro itataas ko siya para mas makita yung design niya. Pero yung nakasulat talaga guys, it's yun talaga yung it's giving. Like, it's giving the vibe para sa akin. Ayun, so, I am the world's best ex-girlfriend. Joke lang. Diba? It's so pretty. Aside from medyo, ano to, yung tawag to? Fit? Fit ano yun? Yung kanyang fit. Basta, yung fit niya is fit. Ay, ganun ba? Comfortable isuot yung sa tela. Ang ganda talaga. Isusuotin ko talaga to. Pag kunyari, no, tas sakto nakita mo yung ex mo, no? Medyo marami-rami pa siya onte. Yun talaga. Oh, see? This one is another statement shirt. And now it says, I'm not shy. I just don't like you. Guys, ang dami kong ganito. Wait lang. May ganito ako color white na, anong tawag doon? Yung sleeveless. Crop top siya pero sleeveless siya. But this one I got it naman na may sleeves. Oh, diba? Addict lang. Yeah, this one. I'm not shy. I just don't like it. yung tela niya medyo manipis, guys. Hindi ko alam kung anong nakikita niyo sa camera. Pero manipis talaga siya in a way. Yung suot kong nipple cover is sobrang manipis na yun. Pero nakikita ko pa rin siya in a way. Iba yung tela niya. But it's very comfy, guys. Sobrang comfy niya isuot. And ko talaga alam ko yung nakikita niyo. Pero ayan, yun yung sinasabi niya na I'm not shy. I just don't like you. Pero diba, hindi siya ganun ka-crop top sa akin. I think this one is small. Sa tingin ko, pinili ko small kasi yung XS ata nito medyo mas maskip. If I'm wrong, I'm just gonna put it somewhere over there. Somewhere down the road again. What is this? Oh my gosh, what is this? This one, yeah, I think, oo, sinuot ko na to. Yeah, I did. Tama ba? Oo, wait, nung nagpicture ako dun sa isa kong parang kino-cosplay, I used this top. And it is so daring talaga. This is what the top looks like. It's so sexy and gorgeous, but very daring, guys. Like, I don't have boobs, guys. So, hindi ako pinagpara when it comes sa harap. And this is what it looks to me. So, if you're medyo boobsy, parang ganon, siguro, I don't know. But it's so cute. Technically, sobrang cute niya talaga. But if you're going to wear something like this, I would suggest just put yung tape para secure lang siya just in case, 'di ba, na malikot ka. Kasi like oh my god, it's really 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 daring. Like sobrang skin. And at the back, this is the back looks like. Oh, diba? Pati sa likod. Ang ganda talaga, nasa sexihan talaga ako kapag yung likod is backless. Parang, mas sexy talaga siya. Diba? But, ito, likod, harap, sobrang sexy. Ang daming skin na nakalabas. Tinatago sa buhok. You know? Pero, if I'm gonna wear this, most probably, in a way, there, kapag dinner, siguro, kapag dinner, bear with me. It's very, very madami. This one is pink and it's oversized. It says, nope, not today. Wag ngayon, please. Wag niyo kaya, oh, diba? This is so, so, so pretty. I'm not sure if this is in size small or XS. Kasi walang tag, di ko makita. But this kind of t-shirt, I would probably wear sa bahay. Dito sa bahay or kapag pwede na din siyang pang grocery pero mukha kang walang ano shorts in a way. Lalo na kung mahilig ka sa shorts. You can pair this top with t-shirt with a white rubber shoes or Converse. That's gonna be a good outfit. Sobrang comfy talaga nitong t-shirt na to. As in, sobrang lambot niya. Alam mo yun, hindi siya makapal, hindi rin siya ganun kanipis. Tsaka, I like the statement, nope, not today. Not tomorrow either. Puro top. This one naman is typical na pambahay. Ang ano nung tela niya, ang lambot ng tela niya. Pero yung ganung tela, medyo mainit to. Pero okay lang kasi sleeveless naman siya. This is your typical pambahay top. Or pwede naman siya pang-alis. Pero parang pang simpleng mall, ganun. Mga grocery time or pupunta lang sa kanto, bibili sa tindahan, mga ganun. It's 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 fitted, pero hindi siya masikip, kaya okay lang. Stretchable din naman siya. Ano naman kaya to? Wait lang. Ay, it's another top. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Meron tong tawag dito. May chain siya, may ano yun? Ayan, meron siyang wait. Meron siyang strap. It's like yung design niya is parang corset. Ganun yung design nito. Teka nga, tingnan ko nga. Kasi umiinom ako ng chocolate eh. And since meron siyang parang bra na design, wala siyang tawag doon, foam, hindi siya ganun ka appealing sa akin sa harap. Since wala tayo noon, ako lang pala. Ako lang pala. So, ayan. Maybe I'll just do some alterations too. Pero okay lang naman. Pero mas maganda kasi kapag merong parang fake. Hindi, para lang medyo mas maganda siyang tingnan. Ano? And then sa likod niya, guys, I did ayan, crisscross. Kinrisscross ko siya para mas lumiit siya. Kasi parang sa tingin ko mas malaki siya kapag hindi siya naka-crisscross sa akin. And it's so pretty, guys, sa likod. Namatay yung camera ko, guys. So, lumipat na ako ng pwesto. And, konti na lang to. The top. Yes. This one is another crop top. But this one is sleeveless. And again, it's a statement shirt. Ito, same to nung isa, di ba? Yung color white na merong sleeves. Yung merong statement din na, I'm not shy, I just don't like you. Meron na ako nito, itong same exact top na to, different color lang. The only difference is that I got this in size S, small. This is small kasi that one is a bit fit talaga, like super fit siya. Kasya sa akin yung XS. Pero parang kapag kumain ako ng samgyup, parang hindi nahihinga yung dito ko. Parang masikip na siya dito. So, kaya nakita niyo to, medyo maluwang siya. This is small. And I would rather use this kasi mas comfortable siya kaysa dun sa isa. Then we have this crop top. This is a crop top na color gray. Yung tela niya, it's not the same tela as the other ones. Yung mga statement shirts ko na tela, it's not ganon. Ito naman, it's okay. Okay lang siya. Parang it's not something new. It's not something extravagant. It's not something sexy. It's just a regular top for me. Not sure kung anong klaseng type ng tela to, pero it's supposedly a crop top, but medyo mahaba siya sa akin. It doesn't look like a crop top na. Parang it's like an oversized crop top to me, but dapat mga ganito siya. Yun yung mga damit na nakuha ko, guys. But I do have swimsuits here, but I don't think I will be able to try it on sa video. But if you want to see some photos, just let me know. Maybe I'll just take some photos kapag ginamit ko siya. But before we proceed sa swimsuits, I'm gonna show you this one. This is a pantulog, guys. This is what it looks like. Ayan, so it's just color pink. It's not bright pink. Medyo kakulay niya yung pusa ko. Medyo lang. Ayan. Then I have like 2, 4, 5 swimsuits that I got from Shein. The first one is this one. This is a one-piece suit. Bodysuit. Swimsuit, guys. Meron siyang, yung design niya is asymmetrical. And then, meron siyang parang, yung rib na design. Parang ganun. Parang yung ano niya. So, hindi ko siya ay, ewan ko, gusto niya, dumidilim yung camera ko. I'm not sure, wait, gonna fix it. Parang ang dilim niya talaga. Anyway, let me know, guys, if you want to see a try-on swimwear. Oh my gosh. Pero hindi naman na kasi summer. Paulan na ata, parang palanin niya na. Tama ba yung term lanin niya? If you're not into very sexy na swimsuit, this one is good kasi it's just a one piece. Tapos may design naman na siya dito. So, okay na yun. Then, I have a pink one. This is like super pink. Like super pink talaga siya. So, this is what the bottom looks like. It's very pink. Hindi ko ba ito nasusukat actually. Yung white na sukat ko. Ganun ulit yung design niya. Ang hilig ko sa asymmetrical, no? So, asymmetrical din yung kanyang design. Then, meron siyang sabit. Sabit talaga. Paano ko mapapakita yan? Meron siyang parang nakahiwalay. Hindi na tayo. Again, let me know, guys, if you want to see like photos of this or if you want to see a swimwear haul na itatry ko. Oh my gosh, let me know. Just let me know. But yeah, ayan siya. Ang kulit talaga nung parang may hindi na tayo na part. This is more brownish naman yung color. This is also a two-piece swimsuit. So this is the top. And then we have the bottom part. This is a high waist na bottom. So ayan siya. This is it. Ito ata yung malaki sa akin. Anong size nito? Yeah, this one is just this one is in size small. So definitely not my size. This is big. So definitely I'm not gonna wear this. Pero anyway, papakita ko na lang din sa inyo yung design na nakuha ko. This is a leopard na one-piece swimsuit. However, buta siya sa gitna. So, makikita yung gitnang part niya. So, parang technically two-piece siya. Nakadugtong lang siya. Parang ganon. Last. This is the last item. Oh my gosh. Tapos ko na din. Ang tagal. Sobrang haba. What color is this? Nasa linya siya ng nasa linya siya ng pink. Ito yung una. And then this one is the other pink that I got. Guys, super mura ko lang ata ito nakuha. Promise. Parang like, mura ko lang talaga ito nabili. I'm not sure kung magkano. I'm just gonna post it. Pero sobrang mura nito. And yung top niya, ayan. Siguro I'll just insert picture ng model para makita niyo. As in, mura lang yan kaya binili ko siya. And then, ito yung kanyang bottom. So, I think that's all. That's all talagang tinaas yung paa, So, that's all the items that I got from Shein. Sobrang haba nitong video na to for sure. But I hope sana nakakuha kayo ng outfit inspo or nakapili kayo ng gusto nyo ding bilhin sa Shein. Of course, sa dami-dami ng binili ko, diba? Siyempre, hindi ko kayo kinakalimutan. I do have here Hindi damit, guys, kasi I'm not sure sa sizes. Yo, akala mo ang dami, But I do have here. So I got 2 bags for you. This is yung parang moon bag. So hindi ko na siya open. Then we have here the steam towels, parang hair towel. For this video, guys, I do have 2 giveaways para sa inyo kasi nga hindi niyo ba ako na-miss? Kasi na-miss ko kayo. Na-miss ko kayo sobra. Tsaka, siyempre, kapag bumili ako, niisip ko din kayo, oh my God. And alam niyo naman, sobrang dali lang naman sumali sa aking giveaway. All you have to do is make sure you subscribe to my channel, follow me on my social media accounts, and then like this video, and please do share my videos to your friends and families para lumaki din yung family natin. Para rumami na din yung mga binubudol ko. Binubudol talaga, hindi naman. I'm just showing to you kung ano yung nakabudol sa akin para at least malaman nyo kung mabubudol din ba. Joke lang. Comment below what you would like to see next. Kung ano pa yung gusto nyong gawin ko. Gawin ko talaga. Kung ano pa yung gusto nyong mapanood from me, or if you do have any suggestions, kung ano yung ita-try natin, like makeup. Guys, I have a lot of makeups. Wow! Ang dami kong makeup na na-accumulate throughout the time. By the way, before I forget, aside from this channel, guys, I do have another channel. I'm just gonna post it here and then put it in the description box as well. Please make sure to subscribe to that channel as well. It's for my cosplay. I do cosplay, guys. Although I'm still working on it kasi like I said, I got really busy, but now I'm starting to go back in cosplaying na. So again, thank you so much for patiently watching this video because I know lagi ako mahaba gumawa ng video. Kahit ang daldal ko kasi, ang dami ko kasing sinasabi. Tingnan mo, hindi ko na naman tinatapos yung video ko. But ayan, sige, tinatapos ko na ngayon. I'll just gonna put everything sa description box. Or if you do have any question, you can always DM me sa Instagram. You can always PM me sa Facebook. Or you can always leave a comment here. Or, yun. Thank you so much. And see you on my next video. Bye.